Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get chocolate-covered strawberries in Toca Boca. First, you'll need to visit the supermarket location within the game. Once there, make your way to the produce section to pick up some fresh, ripe strawberries. After securing your fruit, head over to the candy or snack aisle to grab a delicious chocolate bar. You'll need both of these key ingredients to create your sweet treat. Now that you have your strawberries and chocolate, it's time to prepare the chocolate. Head to any home or kitchen location that has a stove or microwave. Take your chocolate bar and place it into a bowl. Carefully heat the chocolate using the appliance until it's completely melted and has a smooth, glossy consistency. Be sure not to overheat it, as this can make the chocolate seize. With your chocolate perfectly melted, it's time for the fun part: dipping. Hold each strawberry by its green stem or the top leafy part to keep your fingers clean. Carefully dip each strawberry into the warm, melted chocolate, rotating it to ensure an even and generous coating. Lift the strawberry and let any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl for a few seconds before moving on. Finally, arrange your freshly dipped chocolate-covered strawberries onto a plate or tray. Place them in the refrigerator for approximately 10 minutes, or until the chocolate has completely hardened and set. Once chilled, your delicious Toca Boca chocolate-covered strawberries are ready to be enjoyed by your characters. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.